Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Workday for recruiting accounts synced to LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Workday account using your standard credentials. Navigate to the recruiting section within your Workday dashboard. Locate the LinkedIn integration settings. Click on Configure LinkedIn integration to access the authentication options. You will see a prompt for LinkedIn authentication. Select the option to authenticate LinkedIn. A new window will appear, directing you to the LinkedIn login page. Enter your LinkedIn credentials to log into your account. Once logged in, you will be asked to grant permissions to Workday. Review the permissions carefully and click Allow to proceed. After successfully granting permissions, you will be redirected back to Workday. You should see a confirmation message indicating that LinkedIn has been successfully authenticated. Next, verify that your LinkedIn account is now linked by checking the integration settings. Test the connection by syncing candidate profiles from LinkedIn into Workday. If the sync is successful, you will receive a notification within Workday. For any issues, double-check your LinkedIn permissions and ensure there are no restrictions on your account. Repeat the authentication process if necessary to resolve any issues. Your Workday and LinkedIn accounts are now fully integrated for recruiting purposes. This integration allows for seamless candidate sourcing and tracking. Maintain your account settings and permissions regularly for optimal performance. Now, you're ready to enhance your recruiting process with LinkedIn and Workday. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.